Our beautiful queens, all looking absolutely stunning. But unfortunately, it's time to cut down to our top 10. The results are in. And we're going to say goodbye to 5 of the ladies on stage right now. Our judges have done their work, but a lot of the decision for the top 10 went down to the public votes as well. So if you don't see your favorites in the top 10, you did not vote for them. Ladies and gentlemen, are we ready? Let me come to the corner so that they don't spy the results. First up in the top 10, please welcome Miss Somalia. Please step forward. This applause is not applause, you know, Calabar. The second contestant in the top 10 is Miss Mozambique. Also in the top 10, please make some noise for Miss Nigeria. Okay, your blood can calm down now. The next contestant in the top 10 is Miss South Africa. Also joining the ladies in the top 10. Please put your hands together for Miss Zimbabwe. Five contestants down, 5 to go. We're halfway there. Next up is Miss Mali. Next up, joining the top 10 is Miss Algeria. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just 3 spots left. And the next contestant in the top 10 is Miss Botswana. 2 spots to go. 2 spots to go. Like I said, if you don't see your favorites in the top 10, you did not bring out your phone to vote when I told you to do so. Please welcome Miss Kenya. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our top 9. 1 spot left. Who will that be? Completing our top 10 is Miss Congo. Okay, we have our top 10, but the public voted, but the judges have a wild card, which means we have a top 11, not a top 10. We have a top 11. We have a wild card contestant who will be joining our semi-finalists, or our quarter-finalists, actually. Judges, who will that be? Sorry.
So from the judges table, we have a wild card. And the wild card is Namibia.
Congratulations, Miss Namibia. And there you have it, our quarterfinalists, our top 11. Put your hands together for the contestants of Miss Africa 2025 as we say goodbye to our other finalists who haven't made it through. Your hands together for them. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, one of these 11 stunning ladies will be crowned Miss Africa at the end of tonight. Take a close look at them. One of their lives is about to change forever. Who will that be? The judges have a tough task ahead of them. All beautiful, all stunning, representing all the corners of our beautiful continent. The vibrance, the heritage, the culture, the beauty. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, your hands together for our finalists.